Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out the easy hardware causes. Make sure the TV input is set to the exact HDMI port your Xbox uses, and visually inspect the HDMI cable for damage. Once done, fully power cycle both devices. Shut down the Xbox, unplug power for 10-15 seconds, and do the same for the TV. You want clean power resets so the consoles renegotiate the HDMI handshake. This fixes many no-signal issues immediately. Now you methodically isolate the problem. Swap the HDMI cable and use a different TV or monitor. This tells you whether the Xbox output or the display input is at fault. Next, plug another device into the same TV HDMI port to verify the TV side works. If that device shows video, the issue is with the Xbox or its cable. If the Xbox fails on multiple displays with a known good cable, you've narrowed it to the console or its HDMI subsystem. If isolation points to the console, boot Xbox into low-resolution mode. Hold the pair and eject buttons, then press the power button. Release when you hear second beep. This forces a 640x480 output so you can regain video. Once visible, update system software, or try an offline USB update to repair firmware that affects HDMI. If you still see no signal after testing on 2 displays and using low-resolution mode, prepare for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.